What if you could turn every moment of your life into a perfect frame without needing a camera crew, a tripod, or expensive gear? Because in 2026, selfie sticks aren't just tourist tools anymore. They've evolved into smart, stable, creator-ready devices, helping you capture better angles, smoother vlogs, and cinematic-looking shots, all from your smartphone or action camera. So today we're breaking down the 5 best selfie sticks you can buy right now, based on portability, stability, build quality, and real-world usability. And as always, all product links are down in the description, along with YouTube product tags so you can check prices instantly. Alright, let's get into it. Number 5. Joby TelePod Mobile. This is one of the most compact and travel-friendly options you can get. It works as a selfie stick, a mini tripod, and a tabletop stand. So you're basically getting 3 tools in one. The build feels solid, and Joby is known for reliable creator gear. So even during handheld vlogging, it feels stable and dependable. What makes it special is convenience. You can switch from selfie mode to stable recording in seconds, without carrying extra equipment. If you want something simple, lightweight, and easy to carry everywhere, this is a great starting point. Number 4. K&F Concept 62-inch Selfie Stick Tripod. Now this is where versatility really kicks in. This one extends much farther than most selfie sticks, giving you wider framing and better group shots. And the best part, it converts into a tripod in seconds. So you can go from handheld selfies to stable recording setups instantly. It also includes a Bluetooth remote, which lets you start recording or take photos without touching your phone. Perfect for solo creators. If you want flexibility between selfies, vlogging, and tripod shooting, this one hits a really strong balance. Number 3. DJI Osmo Mobile 6. Now technically, this is more than a selfie stick. It's a smartphone stabilizer, with selfie stick functionality built in, and the difference is immediate. Instead of just holding your phone steady, it actively smooths out movement using 3-axis stabilization. That means walking shots, pan shots, and vlogs look cinematic instead of shaky. It also folds down compactly, extends for better reach, and includes smart tracking that can follow your face or subject automatically. If you're serious about content creation, this is a massive upgrade from a basic stick. Number 2. Insta3 62-in-1 Invisible Selfie Stick plus Tripod. This one is built specifically for action cameras and 360 creators, and the biggest feature is the invisible stick effect. When used with compatible cameras, the stick completely disappears from the final footage. It looks like your camera is floating in midair. It also doubles as a tripod, which makes it perfect for time lapses, static shots, or hands-free recording. It's lightweight, durable, and designed for creative angles you simply can't get otherwise. If you're into action content or immersive 360 videos, this is a must-have tool. And finally, number 1. Neewer TP38 Selfie Stick Tripod. This one is all about strength and stability. Unlike lightweight travel sticks, the TP38 is built to handle heavier smartphones and even small cameras. That makes it ideal for creators who want a more professional setup without jumping straight into full tripod systems. It extends to a solid height, locks firmly in place, and stays stable even during outdoor shooting. What really makes it stand out is reliability. Whether you're shooting vlogs, group photos, or outdoor content, it holds steady without wobble. If you want the best balance of durability, height, and performance, this is the top pick. Now here's the key takeaway. A good selfie stick isn't just about length anymore. It's about stability, versatility, and how naturally it fits your content style. Some are built for travel, some for vlogging, some for cinematic motion, and some for professional level stability. So here's your quick breakdown. If you want ultra-portable simplicity, Go with the Joby TelePod Mobile. If you want flexibility and value, the K and F concept. 62-inch is a great pick. If you want smooth cinematic smartphone video, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is unbeatable. If you want creative 360 or action shots, the Insta360 2-in-1 is perfect. And if you want the strongest all-round stable setup, the Neewer TP38 takes the crown. That's it for this video. Make sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And don't forget, you can also find these in the YouTube product section right below the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.